Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with OpenAI for tenant screening questionnaire drafts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with OpenAI for tenant screening questionnaire drafts, begin by visiting the OpenAI website. Navigate to the API section by clicking on the relevant tab. Create an account if you do not already have one. Once you have an account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, access the API documentation. Familiarize yourself with the different endpoints available. Locate the endpoint specifically designed for text generation. Prepare your tenant screening questions that you would like to include. In your API request, format these questions clearly in the body of your message. Specify the desired tone and style for the questionnaire drafts. Include any additional criteria that are important for your screening process. Review the request parameters carefully before sending. Submit your API request to the designated endpoint. Wait for a response from OpenAI. Once you receive the generated drafts, review the content for relevance and effectiveness. Make any necessary adjustments to tailor the drafts to your specific needs. Save the refined questionnaires for future use. Repeat this process as needed to create additional drafts or modify existing ones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.